Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we are diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 30th, 2025, our system has ranked BigBear.ai Holdings as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, experiencing a remarkable gain of 136.41% since we first suggested buying BigBear.ai Holdings just 10 days ago. This translates to an average return of approximately 13.64% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next movement, as it could potentially go in either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and strong short-term rising trend, indicating an even stronger upward momentum. Should there be any pullback, support is now established at the level of $7.06, which may present a second opportunity for significant gains. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 194.39% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 39.42% to 113.53%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 48.20% over the next year, with potential returns varying between negative 65.91% and negative 4.74%. This translates to a price range of $3.32 to $9.28 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings highlights significant fluctuations in the stock price on Wednesday, which concluded trading at $9.74. The stock price of BigBear.ai Holdings increased by 21.75% on the last trading day, rising from $8 to $9.74. Throughout the trading session, the stock experienced notable volatility, fluctuating by 31.46%, with a low of $7.55 and a high of $9.93. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and has soared by 167.58% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also surged on the last day, alongside the price increase, signaling a positive technical indicator with a total of 35 million more shares exchanged compared to the previous day. In total, 151 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $1.47 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $9.93, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price stands 1.86%, or 18.5 cents, below the 52-week high and 39.58%, or $6.38, below the all-time high reached on April 6, 2022, when it peaked at $16.12. Shares of BigBear.ai Holdings, symbol BBAI, are currently soaring, gaining over 11% as of midday trading. This recent surge reflects a substantial increase of 415% since the election, positioning BigBear.ai as a potential alternative to established players like Palantir in the data analytics sector. The company's rapid ascent can also be attributed to the heightened interest surrounding artificial intelligence technologies, especially following significant government investments aimed at artificial intelligence infrastructure. Despite macroeconomic challenges, BigBear.ai benefits from a growing product portfolio and strategic partnerships that could pave the way for long-term growth. The stock's price-to-sales ratio stands at 11.29, indicative of its strong market presence amidst ongoing volatility in the artificial intelligence landscape, driven by competitors like the Chinese startup DeepSeek. Additionally, the award of a key contract from the Department of Defense has propelled BBAI to new all-time highs, further validating investor confidence. In the short term, This momentum can attract more speculative traders and investors, likely driving prices even higher. However, in the long term, sustained growth will depend on BigBear.ai's ability to execute its business strategy while navigating a competitive and often volatile market. The focus on artificial intelligence continues to be a critical factor influencing stock performance for BBAI in the months ahead. Analyst ratings. On the 30th of December 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy grade accompanied by a hold action. On the 15th of October 2024, it was once again reported that H.C. Wainwright designated BBAI with a buy grade and a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general strong sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is also rated as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio receives a sell rating. Regarding return on investment, analysts have similarly rated the stock with a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average surpasses the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $7.71 and $4.68. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, January 13, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 226.85%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a buy signal 22 days ago. Bollinger Bands revealed a buy signal 83 days ago. The short-term moving average issued a buy signal 11 days ago. However, the long-term moving average presented a sell signal 12 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average flashed a buy signal 91 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 106 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $8.72 and $8.71. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, BigBear.ai Holdings finds support at $8.72. If this level is breached, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $8.71 and $8. This stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicated by its volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $2.38 between its high and low, which represents a 31.46% change. During the past week, the stock has seen a daily average volatility of 25.84%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. It's not uncommon for even well-established companies to face downturns, often due to circumstances outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could raise concerns about potential bankruptcy. In other developments, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of March, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at a loss of 5 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $8.72. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's explore some recent insider trades. On the 31st of January, 2025, Carolyn Blankenship executed an insider sale of 66,153 shares of common stock. On the 22nd of January, 2025, Paul E. Fulcino conducted an insider purchase of 11,338 shares of common stock. On the same day, Pamela Joyce Braden made an insider purchase of 21,542 shares of common stock. Also on the 22nd of January, 2025, Peter Anthony Canedo Jr. executed an insider purchase of 25,850 shares of common stock. On that date, BBAI Ultimate Holdings, LLC also conducted an insider purchase of 43,878 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 89.129. Overall, insiders have purchased 5,314,143 shares and sold 96,765,080 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.41, representing a decrease of 3.38%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, resulting in a significant risk profile. The 14-day relative strength index is 81, which substantially elevates the risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal based on a pivot bottom identified 21 days ago. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? BigBear.ai Holdings presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At the present level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors either hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our evaluation from a buy to a hold or accumulate status since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 13th of February, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open down by 668/100ths of a dollar, beginning trading at $9.07. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.